in bullet journaling, we differentiate tasks and events with different symbols. I'll show you the traditional key first of all, which is what Ryder Carroll uses. He's the inventor of the bullet journal method. So a task is symbolised by a dot. A completed task, you would have your dot and you would cross it out. That means it's complete. What you can do is if you don't complete a task the day that you wanted to complete it, you can either move it forward or you can move it backwards and you can schedule it. Moving it forward is called migrating. So you would turn your dot into a forward facing arrow, and that means migrated. And then if you have a task on your list which maybe you've realised, I'm not going to get this done this week, I'm not going to get this done this month, you can schedule it. And scheduling means you draw an arrow in the opposite direction and you would then add that to your future log. You add it to your future log to remind yourself that you have to do it. The next thing is an event, which is symbolised by a circle, just like that. We also have notes. So notes are symbolised by a dash. If you have a task that is cancelled, you would have your dot like that. And you symbolise it being cancelled by drawing a line straight through it because it's no longer needed. An exclamation point if something's important, or anything you want. You can add triangles, ovals, but the ones that I've noted from task to cancelled are the kind of standard traditional bullet journal symbols. Some popular symbols are an open circle for a task. Sometimes people like to put a line diagonally through it if they're halfway through completing a task. And then a completed task would just be a filled in circle. Again, you can use graded, you can put an arrow facing that way through your circle, or you can put an arrow for scheduled facing that way. You could still do your, strike through for cancelled. Bullet journaling is an organisational system, and if you're using it on a daily basis and if you're rapid logging on a daily basis, the more complicated your symbols are, the more work it's going to be. So this is just the most basic way to daily log, rapid log that there is.